In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-organizer in GoToMeeting. Whether you're organizing a team meeting, a webinar, or a collaborative session, having a co-organizer can be incredibly helpful. A co-organizer can assist in managing the meeting, troubleshooting technical issues, or just helping ensure everything runs smoothly. So let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Create a Meeting option. That's your entry point into setting up your event just the way you want it. As soon as you're in the meeting creation interface, you'll see spaces to enter the necessary details about your gathering. This usually includes aspects such as the meeting title and the type of meeting you're hosting. Take your time to fill these in. Choose a title that clearly signifies the purpose of the meeting, as this will help participants know what to expect. Now, with the meeting title and type sorted out, it's time to look for the Co-Organizer Addition feature. Just below the options you've filled in, you should see the Add Co-Organizers option. This is where you can enhance your meeting with additional management support. All you need to do is type in either the first name, last name, or email address of the person you wish to add as a co-organizer. It's a good idea to have this information handy to make the process smoother. Be mindful not to use full names, as the system is optimized to recognize users more efficiently with the simpler input. Once you've entered your co-organizer's details, you're just about ready to move forward. The final step here is to click Save. By doing this, you're confirming the details of your meeting and making it official, including the addition of your co-organizer. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a co-organizer to your GoToMeeting event. Bringing a co-organizer on board can significantly ease the pressure of managing a meeting by allowing you to focus on content rather than logistical details. You'll both be able to work together to create a seamless experience for all participants. Before wrapping up, it's worth mentioning that if issues or questions arise, GoToMeeting's help resources are a great go-to for additional support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice adding co-organizers as you plan your next few meetings. This skill might just be the key to taking your meetings from good to great. Good luck, and see you in the next video.